Hello and welcome to another Rudridge tutorial video. We're here in the Farnham yard and I've been joined by the Rudridge General Manager, Paul Duke. Paul, what are we talking about today?
Today, Tony, we're going to be talking about the Polystorm crates manufactured by Polypipe.
So what exactly are these crates for? They look like the type of crate I used to go to football on and stand down the front. What are they for?
That's right. They are an interlocking crate system that is buried under the ground and can be used as a holding or as a soakaway tank. What we've done today in the yard, Tony, is we've put this demonstration together using the PSM1A Polystorm crate. This is a recycled crate and it's typically used for domestic purposes and for car park situations. We've actually got two crates here. Pull them apart, that's two crates. Now each crate is 1 metre long, 500mm wide and 400mm deep. They come with these shims so they can have various configurations, so you can stack them on top of each other. You can also lay a single layer, and they're jointed with these plastic clips which are put into the holes provided, and that tie them together and that forms one solid crate.
These crates are not the sort of thing you'd see every day. What is their actual function?
You're right, you wouldn't see them in an ordinary day. These are normally buried under the ground. Typically they'd be used underneath a car park or domestic driveway. Now in a domestic situation they would act as a soakaway. So they would obviously take rainwater and any surface water from a driveway. They would be stored in the crate, and then the water will naturally penetrate out and go into the ground. I'm now going to demonstrate how we would build a soakaway on site. Right, if you can help me with these crates here, Tony. And if we just carry them over, you can see how quickly it is to put together. Now, you only need one person to lift them because they're actually suitable for single person lifting. There we go.
We've got our 4 crates in position. What happens next?
If you don't mind assisting me, Tony, what we would do is, in a domestic situation, it would be laid on a bed of shingle, and then what they would do is wrap a geotextile fleece around the whole crate. There we go. Now that can be taped with a number of different tapes. There's a double-sided joint tape and a lapping tape. Now those are designed to keep everything tight together, and it's to stop any fines getting into the tank. You
mentioned fines. What exactly is fines?
Fines are small pieces of rock or sand that will be in the ground conditions. The whole tank will be surrounded by shingle, and this will stop anything getting into the tank to allow for as much storage as possible. Another application will be a holding attenuation tank, which I'm now going to demonstrate. What we've done now, Tony, using the same crates, we've now placed them onto a membrane and we're going to construct a holding tank. A holding tank is designed to hold water. This will be kept on site until it can be discharged through a flow control chamber. This is to prevent flooding. Tony, if you don't mind helping me again, we're going to construct a tank. Now what we would do, we would wrap the membrane securely around the site. Now best practice would be this will be heat welded, but it can be taped. What I'm going to do now, Tony, is just fold the membrane over, just like a Christmas present or a birthday present. Now that will be heat welded to give a guaranteed watertight seal. Now if you don't mind helping me there, just wrap the geotextile back over again as we did on the soakaway. Now in this instance, the geotextile is acting as a fleece protection to stop anything puncturing the membrane. At the start of the demonstration, I mentioned that we were using a PSM1A crate. This is also described as a Polystorm-R, and the R stands for recycled. The Polystorm crates are all manufactured in the UK using their own recycling plant.
You mentioned types of crates manufactured. Is there only one of them?
Polypipe currently manufacture 3 different types of crates. This is the mid-range crate and is designed for sort of car parks and domestic driveways. They do a light-duty crate, which is for pedestrian and you would see in somebody's garden. They also manufacture a heavy-duty crate, which could be used in like our storage yard here at Farnham, or where there's going to be access for heavy goods vehicles. Everything I've shown you here today is available ex-stock from Rudridge.
My thanks to Paul. For more information on Polypipe crates and any other groundwork and civil engineering products, please visit the Rudridge website on www.rudridge.co.uk.